Welcome to the future of e-commerce, where personalization meets cutting-edge technology. Today, we're diving into the world of headless commerce and how our revolutionary product recommendation quiz can take any online store to the next level. So, what exactly is headless e-commerce? It's an e-commerce store that's not dependent on major platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, a custom-built online store. Simply put, it separates the front end, what your customers see, from the back end, where all the data lives. This gives you the freedom to create custom designs, improve performance, and scale faster. Brands like Nike and Lego are already using it, but it's not just for the big guys. Small and mid-sized businesses are getting in on headless too, for flexibility and personalization. But here's the problem. Building new custom features like product quizzes can be time-consuming and expensive. That's why we created the standalone product recommendation quiz app. It works seamlessly with any headless setup, and it's designed to boost conversions through personalization. Our quiz app allows you to create personalized shopping experiences quickly and easily, without the need for complex development. So, why is this a game changer for your store? It's fully customizable to match your brand, and it integrates effortlessly with your headless CMS. You can manually add products or sync them in bulk using your Google product feed. Plus, it collects valuable data on customer preferences, giving you insights to refine your marketing strategies. It's all about creating a tailored, interactive shopping experience that keeps customers engaged. Now, who can benefit from this tool? Well, pretty much any online business. Affiliate stores can boost conversions with personalized product suggestions. Brick-and-mortar stores can offer quizzes in-store using kiosks. And even custom-built platforms or WordPress sites without WooCommerce can integrate seamlessly. Ready to get started? It's easy. Just sign up, set up your quiz with our user-friendly dashboard, sync your products, and you're good to go. You can have a fully personalized product recommendation quiz live on your headless store in minutes. Want to learn more about boosting your e-commerce strategy? Visit RevenueHunt.com/blog for expert tips and insights on how to succeed in the fast-paced world of e-commerce.